This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Francine Arroyo Santowski. You are the first tenant. Brand new construction, great location in Kissimmee. The Florence floor plan offers plenty of space to both relax and socialize. Having a spacious great room, dining room and kitchen combined with a breakfast bar creates a fantastic environment for cooking, enjoying meals and spending quality time together. Kitchen with brand new appliances, a spacious pantry and large island that can comfortably accommodate quick meals. The inclusion of a half bath downstairs is certainly convenient for guests or quick access. Having the owner's suite and remaining bathrooms upstairs offers comfort, privacy and style. Laundry room conveniently located upstairs. This home is situated in a great location, close to world-famous theme parks and non-stop entertainment, recreation, shopping and dining. Home is equipped with brand new ceiling fans and an electric garage door opener. Don't miss this opportunity to live at a beautiful newly built home. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.